guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by in my channel, you're welcome, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe because you're going to be seeing more interesting, exciting and helpful video. Today's video is going to be on whiteheads. The reason why you have whiteheads on your skin is that number one, your skin is not properly cleaned in the evening when you retire, or your skin is not properly moisturized. Now those things cause these whiteheads or blackheads to stay or last or come on your face, especially at this nose area, this mouth, lower mouth area, and this chin area, where you have to suffer from those whiteheads. Okay, in this video I am going to be showing you the simple and very easy steps to eliminate or remove these whiteheads fast. Okay, so if you want to see how I'm going to be showing you my method today, do continue watching. But before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below. Let's get started. My first home ingredient that I'm going to be using is my toothpaste. I'm going to be using an oral toothpaste, and of course I'm going to be using a toothbrush, and then I am going to be using my baking soda. Now I would first of all take a toothpaste on my toothbrush like this, as if I'm going to brush my teeth, but no, of course I want to wipe off those whiteheads on my face. Then I'm going to take that, I'm going to dip it into my baking soda. I'm going to dip it into my baking soda like this, and then I'm going to start scrubbing those whiteheads that I usually wear. It's very simple. Now I'm going to scrub my nose here, scrub this other part with my brush. I'm going to wet my face. Now this can only be done on a wet face. I'm sorry I didn't wet my face, but I'm doing that now. So I'm going to scrub and make it like this in a circular motion. And then I'm going to scrub any area that I see that there is a whitehead or blackheads. I'm going to scrub out. Now after I finish doing that, I'm going to take my wipe or my warm towel, and then I'm just going to wipe it off. And you see that your skin will be able to breathe again. You just wipe that up and you have the feeling very smooth, but of course a little bit red because of the scrubbing, but that will go down. And that'll be it for your whiteheads and blackheads removal. Very simple, fast and very effective. Try that out, you will love it. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comment below. Most of all, share this video for your friends to benefit from it, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.